The future of the iPhone might just be closer than we think, and the leaks about Apple's upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max are absolutely insane. This isn't just another small upgrade. It's shaping up to be a complete redesign of what we even consider a smartphone. We're talking about a full invisible display, a quantum-level battery, and AI power so advanced that it could finally make Siri feel alive. Yes, you heard that right. Apple's 2026 flagship could change everything from performance to photography, and even how we experience augmented reality. But here's the wild part. Some of these leaks sound almost too futuristic to be real, yet they're coming from Apple's own supply chain and top industry insiders. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So in this video, we're breaking down 7 shocking rumors that reveal just how far Apple might push the iPhone this time, including brand new display tech, foldable experiments, an AI-powered A20 chip, and more. Whether you're a die-hard Apple fan or just curious about the next big leap in smartphone tech, you'll definitely want to see what's coming. Because if these rumors are true, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could be the biggest revolution in Apple's history, and the future of smartphones might finally be here. The iPhone 18 Pro Max, Apple's rumored 2026 flagship, is already shaping up to be one of the most talked about smartphones in recent history. Even though it's still months away from being officially revealed, leaks and insider reports have begun painting a picture of a device that could completely redefine what we expect from a smartphone. From its futuristic design to its groundbreaking chip and unbelievable camera upgrades, the iPhone 18 Pro Max seems set to push the boundaries of technology in a way that no iPhone before has managed. But what makes this model so special? Why is it generating so much hype in the tech community? Today, we'll dive deep into 7 shocking rumors surrounding Apple's next super flagship, and some of these might just blow your mind. For years, Apple fans have dreamed of a truly all-screen iPhone. No notch, no dynamic island, no bezels. And according to several credible sources, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could finally deliver that dream. Apple is reportedly working with Samsung and LG on next-generation under-display camera and Face ID sensors, which would allow the screen to stretch edge to edge with zero cutouts. Imagine holding an iPhone where the display is completely uninterrupted, just pure glass and light. The idea is to make the device feel like a living, breathing piece of digital art. Insiders say this feature may also introduce adaptive brightness zones, allowing parts of the display to dim or illuminate independently for better contrast and battery life. If this leak turns out to be true, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could be the most visually stunning smartphone ever released. Perhaps the most shocking rumor surrounding the iPhone 18 Pro Max lies inside Apple's A20 Pro chip, built on a revolutionary 2-nanometer process. While the A17 Pro and A18 Bionic already brought impressive speed and power efficiency, the A20 Pro could introduce something even more transformative, a dedicated neural engine for generative AI tasks. This means your iPhone could generate art, videos, or text responses on-device without needing the cloud. It could also make Siri finally feel intelligent, responding to complex prompts, learning your habits, and creating personalized experiences in real time. Benchmark leaks suggest this chip could outperform even desktop-class M-series processors in certain tasks. With Apple's rumored focus on AI integration in iOS 20, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could become not just a phone, but a pocket-sized creative assistant. One of the biggest pain points for smartphone users has always been battery life, but Apple might be preparing to solve that once and for all. Multiple insiders from the supply chain have hinted that Apple is developing a graphene-enhanced battery for the iPhone 18 Pro Max, offering both higher capacity and faster charging without overheating. There are even whispers about an experimental quantum battery prototype, which can recharge in under 5 minutes and maintain nearly double the cycle life of current lithium-ion batteries. If this rumor proves accurate, users could go 2 full days without plugging in, a massive leap forward for mobile endurance. Combine that with Apple's highly efficient chipset and display optimizations, and the iPhone 18 Pro Max could finally be the iPhone that never dies halfway through the day. Here's where things get wild. Some leaks suggest that Apple is secretly testing a foldable version of the iPhone 18 Pro Max, internally known as Project FlexGlass. According to patents and prototypes spotted in Apple's supply chain, the company has been working on a hybrid device that combines the Pro Max's large display with a folding hinge similar to the Galaxy Z Fold. But this isn't just another folding phone. It's said to use liquid metal and nanoglass layers for durability and smooth flexibility. This experimental model could be Apple's first step toward a new class of transforming devices, one that functions as both an iPhone and a small iPad in your pocket. While it's unlikely the first release of the iPhone 18 Pro Max will fold, the possibility that Apple is preparing such technology for future versions adds a thrilling twist to the iPhone story. Apple has always dominated the smartphone camera game, but the iPhone 18 Pro Max could take things to a whole new level. According to recent leaks, Apple is developing an 8K 60 frames per second ProRAW video mode, supported by a new 50-megapixel main sensor and stacked telephoto architecture that improves dynamic range and low-light clarity. This means even nighttime footage could look crisp, detailed, and cinematic. The periscope lens introduced in the iPhone 15 Pro Max is reportedly being upgraded to deliver 10x optical zoom with lossless image quality. There are also whispers of a variable aperture system that mimics professional cameras, automatically adjusting for depth of field effects. Combined with new AI-driven image processing, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could become the ultimate hybrid camera for photographers and filmmakers alike, perhaps even rivaling some mirrorless cameras in performance. With each iPhone release comes a new version of iOS, and iOS 20 could be Apple's most ambitious update yet. Rumors suggest it will bring deep spatial computing features, allowing the iPhone 18 Pro Max to work seamlessly with the Apple Vision Pro 2 and future AR devices. Imagine being able to capture a 3D video on your phone and instantly view it in full depth through a headset, or walk through an augmented environment projected right from your phone's display. Apple may even introduce a spatial FaceTime mode, where participants appear as life-sized holographic figures. These advancements would blur the lines between smartphones and mixed reality computing, making the iPhone 18 Pro Max not just a phone but the centerpiece of Apple's AR/AI ecosystem. Now for the question everyone's asking: when will it arrive, and how much will it cost? Historically, Apple releases new iPhones every September, and insiders predict the iPhone 18 Pro Max will debut in September 2026. But here's the catch. Several sources have hinted that Apple might split the lineup into two tiers: the standard iPhone 18 and an ultra-premium iPhone 18 Ultra model with exclusive features. Secretly testing a foldable version of the iPhone 18 Pro Max, internally known as Project FlexGlass. According to patents and prototypes spotted in Apple's supply chain, the company has been working on a hybrid device that combines the Pro Max's large display with a folding hinge similar to the Galaxy Z Fold. But this isn't just another folding phone. It's said to use liquid metal and nanoglass layers for durability and smooth flexibility. This experimental model could be Apple's first step toward a new class of transforming devices, one that functions as both an iPhone and a small iPad in your pocket. While it's unlikely the first release of the iPhone 18 Pro Max will fold, the possibility that Apple is preparing such technology for future versions adds a thrilling twist to the iPhone story. Apple has always dominated the smartphone camera game, but the iPhone 18 Pro Max could take things to a whole new level. According to recent leaks, Apple is developing an 8K 60 frames per second ProRAW video mode, supported by a new 50-megapixel main sensor and stacked